Tricia, looks like the azaleas and the camellias certainly are growing well here.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with how they're coming along.
And what is this? Are you taking this out or putting it into the soil?
Well, actually, I took this out of my fireplace and I'm going to put it into this soil.
Now, how could that help at all with it just being just wood ash? How can that benefit any plant?
Well, you know, the fact that you say wood ash is a really good point, because we want to make sure that when we use this ash, when we're finished with the fireplace for the season, that you haven't burned any wood that has paint on it or nails. Because
Or maybe even treated wood's probably not a good
yeah,
idea.
not a good idea at all. We don't want any of those extra chemicals. But wood ash has potassium in it that helps build the stems, and phosphorus, which helps with the root growth.
Now, is that good for any plants, or do some plants like the acidic nature of soil more so than others?
Well, certainly azaleas, rhododendrons, camellias, blueberries, a lot of plants that you find all over the U.S. love acid soil, and this helps with it. But it's also good for compost piles.
Okay, what about planting? When you're actually planting a plant, is it good to maybe use this in the course of the actual plant?
Yes, that would be a great idea, and there are a lot of planter mixes that already have it in it. So it's a really fabulous way to use something that would otherwise be trash and enhance your garden all over the place.